Hello students, today we will learn more about numbers.
Topics included in it are predecessors and successor, ascending and descending. Predecessors and successor. Predecessor, the number just before the given number is its predecessor. We subtract 1 from the number to get its predecessor. Successor, the number just after the given number is its successor. We add 1 to the number to get its successor. Let's take an example. Find the predecessor and successor. Let the number be 1350. Its predecessor will be 1350 minus 1 and answer will be 1349. To get its successor, we will add 1 in 1350 and answer will be 1351. So, your number is 1350. Its predecessor will be 1349 and its successor will be 1351. Next example. Find the predecessor and successor of 1000. Its predecessor will be 1000 minus 1, that is 999, and its successor will be 1000 plus 1 is equal to 1001. So your number is 1000. So its predecessor will be 999. As you know, before 1000 it's come 999 and its successor will be 1001. Ascending and descending order. Ascending means going up from the smallest to the biggest number, and descending means coming down from biggest to the smallest number. So in ascending order, we arrange the numbers from smallest to the largest, and in descending order, we will arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest number. Steps to arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. First, compare the numbers according to their number of digits. Next, start comparing 1000 place, then 100 place, and so on. Then arrange them in their increasing order for ascending and decreasing order for descending. Let's take an example. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. There are 4 numbers: 4129, 4912, 4219 and 4192. You can see all the numbers have 4 digits in each. Next step, we will compare thousands place. First is having 4000, second is having 4000, third is having 4000 and fourth is also. So we will move to the next one, that is hundreds place. That is first number is 100, second number is 900, third is 200 and then fourth is 100. So 900 will be the biggest, then after 200, and now we have to find out the smallest one. Now first number 4129 4192. On its hundreds place, both are hundreds. So now we will compare its tens place. That is 20 and here it is 90. So your smallest number will be 4129. Now we will arrange in increasing order. The smallest one is 4129, then 4192, then 4219 and then 4912. This is in ascending order. Now we have to arrange the same numbers in descending order. As we have already compared all these numbers, so you know in descending order we have to write from the biggest to the smallest. So the biggest number is 4912, then after 4219 and then 4192 and the last one will be 4129. This is in decreasing order. This is your in descending order. Thank you, students. Take care of elderly. Ask your parents to download Arogya Setu app. Stay calm and be patient. Help the needy people. Eat healthy to boost up your immunity. Avoid going outside and utilize your time properly.